Welcome to our channel. Optimizing storage on the VA Benefits portal helps you manage your documents efficiently and ensures smooth performance. Follow these simple steps to optimize your storage space. Step 1. Log in to the VA Benefits portal using your ID at Me or DS Logon credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Documents or My Documents section where all your uploaded files are stored. Step 3. Review your uploaded documents and identify files that are no longer needed, such as duplicate documents or outdated forms. Step 4. Delete unnecessary files by selecting them and clicking the Delete or Remove button to free up storage space. Step 5. Organize remaining documents into folders or categories to make them easier to find and manage in the future. Step 6. Compress large PDF files before uploading by using online compression tools or PDF editors to reduce file sizes. Step 7. Download important documents to your local computer or external storage as a backup before removing them from the portal. Step 8. Check your available storage space regularly to ensure you have enough room for new documents and maintain optimal portal performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.